Family is the foundation of our lives. It's where love, connection, and understanding thrive. But what happens when one of the most intimate aspects of a relationship, physical intimacy, is missing? Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked, but deeply impactful. How the lack of sex can affect a family and what you can do to address it. Let's start by understanding the effects. When a couple experiences a lack of physical intimacy, it doesn't just affect their relationship, it can ripple through the entire family. Here are some of the most common consequences. Physical intimacy is a powerful way to connect emotionally. When it's missing, partners may start feeling distant, misunderstood, or even unloved. This emotional gap can lead to misunderstandings, arguments, and a sense of loneliness, even when you're together. Sex is a natural stress reliever. It releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which helps reduce anxiety and promotes relaxation. Without it, stress can build up, making it harder to handle everyday challenges. This tension can spill over into parenting, affecting the kids too. When one or both partners feel rejected or unattractive, it can take a toll on their self-esteem. This can lead to feelings of inadequacy, which may affect their confidence in other areas of life, including work and kids are incredibly perceptive. Even if they don't understand the specifics, they can sense when something is off between their parents. A lack of intimacy can create a tense home environment, which may affect their emotional well-being and behavior. When emotional and physical needs aren't met, some individuals may seek fulfillment outside the relationship. This can lead to infidelity, which can devastate a family and erode trust. Now that we've explored the challenges, let's talk about solutions. The good news is, with effort and communication, these issues can be resolved. Here's how. Start by talking openly and honestly with your partner. Share your feelings without blame or judgment. Sometimes, the lack of intimacy stems from unspoken issues like stress, health problems, or emotional disconnect. Addressing these together can help rebuild closeness. Intimacy isn't just about sex. It's about connection. Spend quality time together doing things you both enjoy. Whether it's a date night, a shared hobby, or simply talking without distractions, these moments can reignite the spark. Sometimes, the lack of intimacy is due to physical or mental health issues. Hormonal imbalances, stress, depression, or even certain medications to libido. Don't hesitate to seek professional help, whether it's a doctor, therapist, or counselor. Start small. Physical touch, like holding hands, hugging, or cuddling, can help rebuild intimacy. These small gestures can create a sense of closeness and remind you of the bond you share. Life gets busy, but intimacy should never take a back seat. Schedule time for each other, even if it's just a few minutes a day. Remember, intimacy is an essential part of a healthy relationship. Sometimes, the lack of intimacy stems from personal stress or low self-esteem. Taking care of yourself, physically, mentally, and emotionally, can help you feel more confident and connected to your partner. At the end of the day, a healthy family starts with a healthy relationship. By addressing the lack of intimacy and working together, you can create a stronger, more loving bond. Not just with your partner, but with your entire family. Remember, every relationship goes through ups and downs. What matters is how you navigate them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building stronger families. And if you're struggling, know that it's okay to seek help. You're not alone.